Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something super neat. We have ourselves some blue pod accent lights. These are magnetic, so you can stick them to pretty much anywhere that's metal. They'll hold on pretty well. They're water resistant, so as long as you're not holding them underneath the water for a long period of time, you'll be all set. A little bit of rain, snow, water, whatever you've got, shouldn't do them any harm. You've got approximately 10 feet of wire for each one, so if you need to run that wire as long as you need, go ahead. That's going to wrap around your car practically. Comes with some wire ties, so of course when you got a little extra wire you can go ahead and tie that up. You don't have it hanging around. All that said, if you need these or any other parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.